Back then in secondary school, I remember when I used to make this coconut candy and I would take them to school and sell them during break time. And every time I bring them to school, it does not even take me 1 minute. I've sold everything out. Up to date, many persons don't even know about this coconut candy business. You can make them and package them very well, supply to supermarkets, to schools, and even to your colleagues at work. With less than 5k and you are good to go. All you need is coconut. First thing, you're going to grate the coconut. I'm using 3 coconuts in this recipe. I will grate the coconut using the smaller part of the grater, not the bigger part. If you use the bigger part, the coconut will not come out much. Once that is done, I'll set it aside. In my pot, I'll go in with 1 cup of sugar and I'll add little salt. I will use a medium heat to turn this till it caramelize. Make sure you don't use high heat. If not, it's going to get burnt and you don't want your caramel syrup to get burnt. So once it caramelizes, I'm going to go in with the grated coconut just as you're seeing me do in the video. I'll add it bit by bit. I'll mix, and once that is well combined, I'll go in with the second batch just like that. I'll mix this till everything is well combined. Even if you don't want to use this as a small business, festive period is fast approaching. You can give this to your family and friends as a treat, or you can even make this for your kids and they will love it. Who does not like coconut candy? Everybody love it. Coconut candy was once very popular back then. Now back to the making. Once you added the second batch, give it a good mix. Mix it together for about 2 minutes. Then you bring it down from the fire. Immediately you bring it down from the fire, you transfer to a rubber tray. Don't use a stainless tray because once it's cooled down, it's very difficult to remove from the stainless tray. That's why it's always advisable to use a rubber tray so that it will not be hard for you to work with. So once you transfer to the rubber tray, you can then mold it to any shape and size of your choice. Me, I'll be transferring mine to my cup because I want to supply this to supermarket. And once you add it to a fine cup, you cover it, and you can even add your logo. You can add anything that people can contact you with. Just like that, you started something meaningful with just less than 5k. Immediately I transfer it to my tray, I will then start packaging. This is the packaging I am using. You can use any packaging of your choice, the one that best suits you. You can even allow it to cool down and mold it into balls, mold it into different shapes. Depends on what will suit your consumers, depends on what people will be able to afford. So this is my own packaging, and the best part in this particular candy is that it takes up to 1 month plus before it will go bad. And sometimes if it's not directly under the sun, it might even stay longer than that, and nobody is praying for their business to stay for that long before it will go bad. Share this video to tell your sister or your brother and even your friend that always worry you for urgent 2k. They can use that urgent 2k and start something meaningful. They can use it and start this business, and it's going to give them a very good profit. If they're in school, it will be even perfect for them because they already have the audience that they can sell to. Those that are in university, they have no excuse. Being broke is a choice. Share this video and thank me later. And you see, this business is highly underrated. People don't even know about it. People don't even care about it. So since people have not begun to up on this, why not start it now before it will cast, before people will start to do it? Even if they do it, taste matters, and the way you do yours and the way you package yours will make yours stand out from others. I hope you try it out. You are welcome. I will see you in the next one.